Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this fuel injection pump for Navara 3.0 engine 0470504038-109-342-4050, then please visit the link provided in the description. When it comes to car parts, one of the most important components that keeps everything running smoothly is the fuel injection pump. It doesn't get as much attention as flashy mods, body kits, or even audio systems, but without a properly functioning injection pump, the engine simply can't deliver the performance, reliability, or efficiency you expect. That's why today we're talking about this replacement fuel injection pump designed for the Navara 3.0 engine, specifically with part numbers 0470504038 and 1,093,424,050. Now, fuel injection pumps are at the heart of modern diesel engines. Their role is simple but incredibly critical. They're responsible for pressurizing the fuel and delivering it to the injectors at the exact right moment, in the right quantity, and at the proper pressure. For an engine like the Nissan Navara 3.0, that means controlling combustion precisely to balance power, torque, efficiency, and emissions. Without a pump that works flawlessly, you could end up with issues like hard starts, loss of power, rough idling, or excessive smoke. So if you're noticing performance drop-offs, replacing the fuel injection pump could be exactly what you need. This specific pump, the 0470504038, 1,093,424,050, is engineered for compatibility with the Navara 3.0 engine. That means it's built to the exact standards required by the vehicle manufacturer. And because it's designed to be a direct replacement, you're not dealing with complicated modifications, extra wiring, or guessing games. It just fits and works the way it's supposed to. One thing worth pointing out about high-quality replacement pumps is durability. A pump like this is engineered to withstand the constant stress of pressurizing diesel fuel and handling precise timing thousands of times per minute. If you're using a lower-quality aftermarket pump, chances are it won't hold up to that stress for long. But with OEM-grade or high-quality replacements like this one, you're getting long-term reliability and peace of mind. That's especially important if you rely on your Navara for heavy-duty work, towing, or long-distance driving. Let's talk performance. When you install a fresh, properly working fuel injection pump, the difference can be dramatic. You'll often notice smoother starts, especially on cold mornings. Acceleration feels more consistent because the engine is getting the right amount of fuel at the right pressure. Fuel economy can improve too, since the pump is no longer over or under delivering fuel. And maybe most importantly, emissions get cleaner, which means less smoke out the tailpipe and a better experience overall. The Navara 3.0 engine is a workhorse, but like all diesel engines, it relies on precision. That's why investing in a correct and reliable injection pump is one of the smartest moves you can make. If you've been chasing down issues like irregular idling, misfiring, or unexpected stalling, this pump could very well solve those headaches. What sets this model apart is the fact that it's made to meet or exceed OEM standards. That means the build quality is high, the materials are durable, and the performance matches what your vehicle originally came with. The part numbers 0470504038 and 1,093,424,050 are your assurance that you're buying the right component for your Navara 3.0 engine. Always cross-check part numbers before buying, because while pumps may look similar, the internal specs, pressures, and timings are unique to each engine design. From an installation perspective, this pump is designed to be straightforward. Of course, replacing a fuel injection pump isn't exactly a beginner-level DIY project. It usually requires mechanical knowledge, proper tools, and sometimes programming or calibration depending on the vehicle's ECU. Many owners choose to have a qualified diesel mechanic handle the installation to ensure everything is timed and calibrated correctly. But the good news is, with the right part in hand, the actual fitment is not going to be a hassle. Another reason this pump stands out is efficiency. Modern injection pumps like this are engineered to deliver precise fuel metering, which directly translates to better efficiency. With fuel prices being what they are, every little improvement in efficiency counts. And because diesel engines are already known for long-lasting torque and economy, restoring your Navara's injection pump performance helps you maximize those strengths. It's also worth mentioning reliability in different environments. The Navara is often used in rugged conditions, whether that's for off-road adventures, commercial use, or daily commuting in tough climates. A reliable injection pump ensures the engine can handle hot summers, cold winters, dusty trails, or heavy towing without losing performance. That's the kind of dependability that keeps you from being stranded or facing expensive repairs down the line. Now let's talk about value. Some people hesitate when they see the cost of a fuel injection pump. It's true, they're not the cheapest components on the market. But consider this, a failing pump can lead to incomplete combustion, which stresses other parts of the engine. Over time, that can mean bigger repair bills for injectors, pistons, or even the turbocharger. By replacing the pump with a high-quality unit now, you're actually saving money in the long run. Another factor is that a good fuel injection pump can breathe